It's unfair. I found love. It made me say I get back. You'll never see daylight if I'm not strong. It is. It's unfair. I found love. It's unfair. I found love. It's unfair. I found love. It's unfair. I found.
Hi guys, yo, this light. How are you guys? Ready? Welcome back to the regular show of Gezina Drugs. We currently arrived, but it's actually quite early. It's a lot early actually. So we're going to chill a bit, and then I think after an hour or so, everything should be starting because I see a couple of people are here already camping. So yeah, let's wait and see what today has for us. It's always a blast coming here, so yeah, plus it's been a very long time without uploading anything, but one thing I'll let you know on is the Kia project has resumed. I've already shot a bit of some videos. I'm just going to wait a bit before uploading it because I want to do a couple of things in a single video before I can release it, and yeah, everything should be well by then. But till that time, I think we're going to keep on doing the card decks and the events and so on. But as for the Kia project, maybe a month or two, that's when you might see the video of it. So yeah, we're gonna wait for now. Maybe give it 30 minutes. I see police are already pulling by here, so let's give it about 30 minutes to an hour and see what's happening. Salute. How's it? So yeah guys, we've arrived here, but seems like there's police, so I'm not sure if he's going to be as active. Yes. Yeah, with these guys, I don't think. With these guys, I don't think it's gonna be as active. But I'm thinking, let's get the car and go up there. It's mini though. So yeah guys, we fetched the car and we are going back but to a different site. Just hope there will be space for parking the site, but yeah, we'll see what happens today. Find a space somewhere here to park up. Look what's here. Mr. Nation. Let's go check it out. And then there's a couple of cars here as well. But yeah, let's get out and see what they have for us. So I was actually at their shop just before coming here, but sadly they were closed for today. But I think probably tomorrow I'll go because I need some stuff for the Kia. These guys are really vested in the game. Yes. trucks will be leaving anytime now. I'm just gonna walk down and check those cars down there. It's someone coming flying Civic as always. But yeah, I'm just gonna walk around, show you some of the cars that are here. Another Civic. Look at this. Actually sounded nicer than it looks. And, so yeah guys, now we are just checking out the cars, and there's this GTR here. By the way, we are by the Nissan car dealership by Gezina, and then there's this Mark 5 rims. This golf looks actually nice and clean. And then there's this one, our regular car. You can never come here and miss this car. You've seen it before. So as usual, it's packed. Hi guys, today at Gezina, I don't think it's gonna be happening, so the video will be extremely short. It will just be the cars that I saw parked up and those that drove past. I think that will be all. Probably it's going to be like a 20-minute video today from the Gezina directs. So yeah, think we'll probably come back next week. Let's check next week what's going on. So yeah, but I have a couple of things prepared. Hopefully they will make a full video, but we'll see about that. And yeah, the police are still here. I'll just show you when I go down the road. Just hope I won't be they won't give me a ticket for driving with the cell phone on my hand, but we'll see. Now I was just waiting for the car to warm up. I'm leaving. So here are the police guys. That's why we couldn't get anything today, but yeah, it's fine. Not all days are the same, but it was fine, man. It wasn't too bad. It was fine. At least we got to see a couple of cars, and yeah, I also got to bump into Mr. Mob Motive, and we are kind of planning something, but you guys will know at the later stages it's happening. But as for now, thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll see